إذا كنت من المتابعين الجدد اشترك الآن في القناة ليصلك الجديد بالضغط على الزر الأحمر أسفل القناة مع تفعيل الجرس، ولا تنسوا دعم المقطع بلايك. شكرا لكم جزيل الشكر.
A man and a woman. A sandwich and milk. Rice and an apple. Bread and water.
The woman is drinking coffee. The boy and the man are drinking water. The girl is eating bread. The man and the woman are eating rice. Are eating eggs. They are eating eggs.
Is driving a car. He is driving a car. Are reading a newspaper. They are reading a newspaper.
Is drinking water. She is drinking water. The boy is drinking milk.
She is eating an apple.
The man is eating an egg.
They are eating sandwiches.
He has a cat.
She has sandwiches.
They have a newspaper.
They have pens.
They are eating apples. He is driving a car. They are reading a newspaper. She is reading a book.
The man is driving. The boy is not driving. The woman is driving. The girl is not driving.
The women have rice. The women do not have rice. The boy has a pen. The boy does not have a pen.
What? What is this? This is an egg.
What is this?
A pen. This is a pen. Is this? What is this? Is a fish. This is a fish.
Is he sleeping?
Yes. Sleeping. Yes, he is sleeping.
Sleeping? Is she sleeping?
No, she is not sleeping.
Is she reading a newspaper?
No. Is she reading a book?
Yes.
إذا كنت من المتابعين الجدد اشترك الآن في القناة ليصلك الجديد بالضغط على الزر الأحمر أسفل القناة مع تفعيل الجرس، ولا تنسوا دعم المقطع بلايك. شكرا لكم جزيل الشكر.
It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.